One of the things that gives me the greatest joy in my own backyard is keeping backyard livestock. So backyard poultry is really taking off. People love to keep chickens, but you could also keep ducks in your backyard. Both provide you with eggs and entertainment. This little guy has a pretty sassy personality. Keeping backyard goats for dairy is popular, but I love keeping sheep. Sheep are great because they're just a little bit quieter than goats. You can milk a sheep just like you do a goat, and you also get wonderful wool off of them. And if you know a hand spinner, you could get into a craft. Make sure that you check with the rock stars at your local extension office to see the legality of keeping a sheep or goat in your own backyard. I love their personalities, and I love that they wag their tails when I pet them. If you're looking for a beneficial animal for your backyard, but you're limited on space, look no further than our friendly little rabbit. These guys are great to keep in a backyard because they're quiet and their manure is awesome for your garden. You can use it directly in your garden without composting it first because the nitrogen in rabbit poop won't burn your plants. Another bonus is they're very cute.